Go.
So this came a little earlier than expected. Not even sure which books are in it. Kind of hoping all. I think it's all. So I just got a copy of Butterfly Bliss, a grayscale coloring adventure. Oh, that came out nice. Perfect. I got both my children's books. So let's see how they came out. Oh, those are nice too. The letter's good. So I'm very excited. It came like a week early. Nice. And I have Fabulous Stained Glass Mandalas. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I know some people don't like the thicker lines, but I think it gives a nice contrast and lets everybody do their own sort of thing. And really good if you want to add details with a gel marker. And Beautiful Moments Flowers, which is my grayscale one. And wonderful colorist, by the way, who did this, but it's a little darker than some people like it, but I think it makes the colors pop. And you can use gel markers on it as well. I think it came out really well. Let me know what you guys think.